Charleston nonprofit and 10 other organizations are filing suit against President Trump, members of his administration, and several federal agencies as they wait in limbo for frozen grant funds from the government. They claim an executive order has stopped them from accessing $11.4 million over a 3-year period. The EPA awarded the grant last year for them to work on several projects in North Charleston. Our Hannah Borkert talked with the Sustainability Institute about why their work is crucial to the community and why those federal funds are necessary in making it happen.
Quite literally restitching the community together.
That's what the Sustainability Institute's Project 218 aims to do. They received an EPA Community Change grant that allows them to build 10 homes on this green space, but an executive order freezing the funding is slowing them down.
Have made it difficult to move forward at the pace that we would like it.
There's a neighborhood to my left and my right, and the patch of grass I'm standing on runs directly down the middle. In the 1960s, a highway was laid here, splitting the neighborhoods in two. The Sustainability Institute Executive Director Brian Cordell says the goal is to make them one again, with the building of the new homes, plus to restore 50 of the existing homes here with weatherization, energy efficiency improvements, and home repair.
Our goal is to go in and repair them, help families reduce their energy bills, and then deal with health and safety challenges that exist within these building units. And so that's one of the reasons this project is so critical.
What the president and his administration have done is come in and just cancel these grants or pause them, freeze them without any notice, without any communication. And it's really stopping the work that the groups are able to do on the ground.
Southern Environmental Law Center Litigation Director Kim Meyer says the lawsuit mainly challenges separation of powers under the U.S. Constitution. She says it's clear that Congress decides how money is spent and legislates and creates laws. She adds the job of the executive branch is to execute those laws.
The president and his administration have really gone beyond what is their legal authority and trying to override the will of Congress.
Meyer says the grant programs have been put in place by Congress over the past several years with the purpose of enlisting groups like the Sustainability Institute to work with them so they can make changes in local communities like North Charleston.
Despite the funding freezes, the project has been moving along, and the actual building of the affordable housing units will happen in year 2, but in advance of getting there, there's a lot of engineering and design work that has to happen that should be happening right now.
Adding they've already put thousands of hours of work into the project with lots of collaboration with the community.
The Sustainability Institute and our partners have been working in this community for decades, and so we have a very trusted, close relationship with the community.
The groups are just wanting to go back to how things were
when the grants were in place. That way those groups can maintain the relationships they've built and follow through on their promised projects. Reporting in North Charleston, Hannah Borkert, Live 5 News.
Southern Environmental Law Center plans to seek a preliminary injunction from the court in the next week where they will ask to restore the grant funding.